everyone, and welcome to my channel once again. And today in this video I'm gonna unbox something which is inside in this box. I'm gonna share to you guys what I bought, and this is about health and wealth, I guess. So I'm gonna show you. This is not just unboxing, but this is also sharing of what this product it is, so everybody can guess. What do you think it would be? Oops. It's been well known to different countries, and so I've already tried this product, and this seems to be really effective for me. And I just stopped this for a long time, maybe like around 7 years ago. But now, since I'm not getting younger and we have to take care of our health, and this one is also good for those people who are trying to conceive, because this one is wait, I only have rubber. I bought only just plastic bags. Oh, this is air bags. What is this? Made of minimum 50% recycled. So there you go, guys. Ta-da! So this is Usana. I'm not advertising anything about this, but I just want to share to you guys because this is really kind of effective to me. Effective, whatever. So this one, Usana Cellsentials, the foundation multivitamins of Usana. This is made by scientists and a microbiologist, Dr. Wentz. So it comes with 2 bottles, and each bottle contains 112 tablets, core minerals, dietary supplement. Yeah, and this is from Australia right now. I bought this from the office of Australia. Okay. A mineral supplement to assist in the maintenance or improvement of general well-being. So I'm back on using this. Okay. It is said this product contains selenium, which is toxic in high doses. A daily dose of 150 grams what is this? PG for adults or of selenium from a dietary supplement should not be exceeded. Okay, so do not use this just only for your diet or whatever you're using. This is really good for your health because this is a vitamins, a multivitamins. The first one is core minerals, this one, and the other bottle is Vita antioxidant. Okay, this is to fight for those free radicals that you have encountered every day of your life, of your daily life. So for 112 tablets, you can use this like for maybe 3 months, and it's a save. By the way, I'm not really advertising Usana yet. I'm just trying to show you what did I bought from that box. You can search more in the internet or Google what it is, and you can share also, guys, about your experience about Usana multivitamins. They have also like omega for your heart if you have like high cholesterol, or like for kids as well, or your vision is not good. They have that multivitamins as well. So this, guys, I have 2 bottles and I'm excited to use this again, because according to the founder or the creator of this multivitamins, Usana, it will, it will fix your cells, which is mainly the damage of our body. So what else in this box? They're giving me, okay, the receipt. The receipt and a brochure about a new chewable to the Usana family, Magical Chewable. I think this is their new product. The athletes being used by this. They have also products for, for those who want to be skinny or just healthy. It's very important, guys, that we need to take care of our health with exercise and good balance of food, good balanced diet. Not just only taking multivitamins, because it's not magic. It needs work, okay? And you should be careful of your internal organs, not just on your, not just using something on your skin. But this one is overall already. This is for internal and external. What's the result? What's in your external will show to your, what's in your internal will show to your external. See, if your internal is healthy, then your external will show it. So that's it, guys. That's all in the box, the Usana product. So any experience about Usana? And I'm gonna show you what does each tablet looks like. So this is what Vital Antioxidant tablet looks like. It's very light yellow. And this is what core minerals vitamins looks like. In Usana, it's white. So just like that. Drink it with water. And thank you for watching my video. Hope you do like this, and hope you guys share your suggestions and your experience about Usana multivitamins product. Thank you, everyone. Much love and God bless. I'll be sharing you the link in my description and where you can shop your Usana Cellsentials. Thank you.